Hi guys, today I'll be taking you through the process of buying a domain. Are you ready to take the first step in building your online presence? So in today's video, we'll be using Hostinger for the platform that we'll buy our domain from. So what you have to do is first of all, head over to hostinger.com. On the home page, click on the domains. Now, when you click on the domains, you'll be prompted to create an account if you do not have an account. So I'll urge you to create an account if you don't have an account with Hostinger. Now, when you are done creating an account, then head over to the domain in the navigation bar, as you can see. Next up, they'll bring out this page that you're looking at on your screen. Now, this is the place that you search for your domain. Now, you start typing your domain in this input field here. You keep looking for your domain, as you can see what we are doing here. As we all know, domain is the address. It's more like an identity for your website or your landing page or any project you want to embark on. So type the domain name you'd like to use for your website, for your landing page, and the rest of them. So you can choose something catchy, something short and easy to remember. Once you search it and it is available, you'll be prompted by Hostinger that it is available. But if it is not available, you'll be told that this domain is already registered or this domain is in use, as you can see here. Now, when you find the domain, you press the button, buy this domain. And when you buy the domain, you fill in your card details because you are expected to pay for your domain. So when you hit the buy domain button, you are expected to pay for the domain with your card. And this domain comes with an SSL. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you have taken a huge step towards building your online empire. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tips and tricks on creating your online presence. If you have any question, drop them on the comment section below. See you next time.